Hi, I'm Florian from Indeed Innovation, and I want to talk to you about batteries. More and more electronic devices nowadays are battery powered, and that's great. Gives us a lot of mobility and freedom to move around. But that does come with a sustainability implication. A lot of precious materials go into making such a battery, and modern batteries, despite all the development and progress we've made in the past, are still divas. Treat them wrong and they will never forgive you. So it does make a lot of sense to treat them right. And it's easy if you know a few things. The first important thing you need to know is avoid extremes. Start charging your battery when it's down to 40%, 20% at the latest. And stop charging when it's up to 80, maybe 90%. Don't just put it on the charger and leave it all night long. It hurts your battery and it won't last as long. Now, for laptops, there are even better solutions to that. There are apps that let you limit how far your batteries charge. For Mac, there's one that's called Al Dente because it doesn't overcook your battery. How neat is that? For Windows laptops, there are usually programs that come from the manufacturer of your laptop. So do use those programs or ask your IT admin to install one for you. On smartphones, wireless charging is great, but prefer cable charging if you can. The wireless charging generates a lot of heat, warms up your battery, and makes it age faster. Cold temperatures are equally bad. So when you've been outside, your phone is really cold, wait until it warms up before you put it on the charger. Your battery will thank you. And finally, if your battery does run out of capacity on you, don't use that as an excuse to get a new device. Have the battery replaced. It's usually very much worth it, and the planet will thank you.